Okay, now we'll go for the third bit. So in the third bit, once you see, so what is that? Write the numbers in descending order. So descending order we need to write, and third bit also we completed, I think. Okay, third bit again I'm going to explain. So third bit now. So in the third bit, they write the numbers in descending order. So descending order I want to write. Then see that numbers, first one they given as a 1876, 1876. So third bit, just 1 minute. Third bit, the third bit, first one, what is that? 1876 comma 1876 comma 89785, 89715, and the next one is a 45321, 321. Next one 89254, 89254. So in these numbers, first of all I want to write in a descending order. Descending order means so big to small. First one is a letters numbers you can count it among. This is a 4-digit number, this is a 5-digit number, this is also 5-digit, and this is also 5-digit. Okay, it's a 4-digit number is the smallest one, you can easy to confirm. And now in these three numbers, which is the biggest one? 89 is a bigger one, 45 is a smaller one, right? Okay, no need to consider this one also. 89 715, 89 254. So this is the biggest one. Okay, so that's why first you can write that is a 89715. Okay, next one is a 89254. Next one 45 321. Then last one 1876. Okay, now this is the answer. This is the answer. Now second question. Second one. What is the second question now? 3000. Is it right? Second question is 3000. Right. Three 000, comma 8700, comma 3900, and next 3000 again. No, sorry, 18500. So in this, which is a bigger number? All are 4-digit number. Is it right? Okay. So except this one, this is a big number. So directly we can write 18500, comma. So next one is a 87 is a bigger one. That's why 8700, comma 3900 is a bigger number, comma 3000. So this is the values we have. Okay, children. So this is the third bit and comes to the fourth bit. Okay. So comes to the fourth bit. Now in that fourth bit, just 1 minute. Now we'll go for the fourth bit. Right, in that fourth bit, what is that question first? So fourth bit, put appropriate symbol, whether it's a less than or greater than in the space given. So in that space given, they already given the space. In that space, you can keep is a plus or minus. sorry, less than or greater than. Okay, so now you can see this one, first question in a fourth bit, first question, fourth bit, first question. Yes, what is the first question? 3854. 54 is dash given and 515200. Okay, I'll write all questions, then after that I'll explain. Okay now. So second question is 4895. So less than or greater than 4864. So third question 99454. 99454. And dash 99445. 99445. And fourth question now. Fourth question is 14500. 14500 dash 14499. 14499. So in these questions now I'm going to explain about the, so I'll select the color of the pen. This red color I want to choose. Now here I'm going to write which is a bigger one, and 3854, it is a 15200, which is a bigger one now. So directly we can say that, so it is a 4-digit number, it is a 5-digit number, definitely it should be a bigger one. That's why let's keep a less than like this. This one side it is a less, this is a two sides is a bigger one. Keep in your mind. 4895 either less than or greater than 4864. So 95 or 48 is the same. 95 or 64, which is a bigger one? 95 is a bigger one. That's why you can keep the greater than. And here the 99454, 99,454, 99,445. So bigger one is 54 is a bigger than the 45. That's why. So here it is a greater than. And 14500. Here the 14500 and in 14499. So which is a bigger one? Absolutely it is a bigger one. Clear all of you? So these are the questions for fourth bit also. Now in exercise 1, fourth bit also we completed. Then we'll go for the next one. Okay, fifth bit. So fifth bit questions I want to show on screen. Now see here the fifth question I am just writing. See what is the fifth question? In that fifth question is also we have that numbers are there. First one, write the numbers in the words. Words you can write it. So first question, fifth bit, just wait, I will select the color of the pen. Fifth question, first one. What is the first one in that fifth question? 72642. 72642. So write the full in a words. So 72,000. What is the answer, ma? 72,000. You know this place values. 72,000. 600. Just I am writing on screen also. So down I write it. 600. 42. FOURTY. 42. Okay na? This is the first question answer. Second question. Okay, second question is a 55345. 55345. Then I will select that this is size of the pen. It's not that much of size, dots. Okay, now answer is 55,000. What is that? 55,300 145. Okay na? So in a third question, just 1 minute. In a third question, what is the third question in that? 66600. Is it right? 66600. Now 66,000 66,600 600, that's it. Okay na? So this is another one. Now we'll go for the fourth one. So in that fifth bit, fourth one, what is that? 30301. So write 30,000 300 1. Okay, so 301. So now comes to the sixth question. In a sixth question, what we should write it? So directly answer I will write it, because side of the screen, once you see that question is there. So 40,270. So sixth question, first one. What is the first one, Amma? 40,000. Sorry, 40,270. 270. Is it right? 40,270. What about the second one? 14,064. 14,064. And what is the third question? 9,700. What is that? 9,700. Yes. Next one is the fourth one, is a very simple one. 70,000. 70,000. Okay. So this is a very simple answer for that. We'll calculate it very easily. Okay na? Then we'll go for the next bit. So what is the next bit? Now I'll write there is a seventh bit. Okay na? Seventh bit or eighth bit? The seventh one. From the 4-digit numbers, so with the digits 4037 and what is that? Just I'll write it on screen. What is that? 407th question. 4, 0, 3, 7, and find which is the greatest and the smallest among them. Which is the greatest and which is the smallest by using of these numbers only. Okay, shall I write answers for that by combination of these all numbers? So 3047. First of all, I want to write answer 3047. 3407 and 3704. Next one 3740. Next one down, I'll write it 4037 4370. Next one 4730. Next 4703. Next one 7034. Next one, last one is a 7430. So among these you can find out which is the biggest one, smallest one, greatest one. Now greatest and here the smallest. So which is the greatest in these numbers? Greatest number is 7430. What is the smallest number? 3047. That's it. This is the answer for this 7th question. So now comes to the 8th question. So in that 8th question, once you see that, we'll write the direct answers for that. Beside questions are there, once you see. Just 1 minute. So 8th question, first one, what they asked in that, the smallest 4-digit number. You just say that which is the smallest 4-digit number. So 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. And second one, the greatest 4-digit number, 99,999. Okay. So comes to the third one. Just 1 minute. It's not moving. Just wait a minute. So here this is the third one. The greatest 4-digit number. So which is the greatest 4-digit number? Second one, third one, the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number is a 100. 00 means, so 10,000. Now the fourth one. The greatest digit number, so 5-digit number, greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Okay, 99,999. So this is the answer for this fourth question. So that's all, children. So this exercise completed. So in next class we'll discuss the next exercise. Okay, thank you for watching.